Hello, I'm Douglas Casa. I'm the Chief Executive Officer of the Korey Stringer Institute and a professor in the Department of Kinesiology at the University of Connecticut. The Korey Stringer Institute and the University of Connecticut welcome you to our press event here to announce the first ever state rankings of high school health and safety policies. We want to just, first of all, before we forget, say thank you to the NFL for letting us use their facility. Very thankful to have a location like New York to have an important media event like this. Before we get into the details of today's event, I want to kind of give a little backdrop about the Korey Stringer Institute to kind of set the tone of how we got to where we are. As many of you know, Korey Stringer was an all-pro offensive tackle for the Minnesota Vikings, who unfortunately succumbed to exertional heat stroke back in 2001. Well, after he passed, the great work of his agent, Jimmy Gould, and his widow, Kelsey Stringer, working together with Commissioner Goodell of the NFL, found a positive path forward after such a tragedy. And this lasting legacy to Korey, formed at the University of Connecticut in his name, the Korey Stringer Institute. Our main focus is to try to prevent sudden death in sport and physical activity. So we work very closely with athletic populations, war fighters, laborers, do whatever is possible to enhance health and safety policies, enhance the research that's done, education, provide advocacy and consultation to all those different constituents. So that just gives you a little bit of the backdrop of what we've been doing for the last 7 years. And we have been working tirelessly with these different populations. And this is a little bit of some of the fruits of our labor, but this is what we do every day. Just to give you a sense of the magnitude of what we do at KSI, we have 60 volunteers and we have 20 staff members. So we have 80 people working every day to try to enhance our understanding of the medical conditions you're going to hear about today and to enhance the health and safety policies so that we can try to have a positive impact in the populations that I mentioned. All right, so I just wanted to give you a background. This is our passion, this is what we do every day, and this is one of the elements that we want to share with you guys, a big important constituency with the high school athlete population, given that there's over 7 million high school athletes, and it's really one of the most important populations we can serve and enhance the health and safety policies for.